So, welcome again to this channel and thank you for your continuous support. If you are a returning subscriber and if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and turning on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll always be the first to be notified. So, in my last video, we had a look on to variables, what are variables, how to initialize variables, and also how to declare variables. So if you have not watched on the other video, kindly consider watching that video before watching this video. So with that said, today, as I told you in the last video, today we are going to write a simple application that we will use the knowledge that we learned in the last video of variables to write a simple application. I will write a simple student's application that will print the student name, the student's registration numbers, the student's GPA, and also the student's grade onto the screen. So this application will help you to have a better understanding of the last video about variables, initializing and declaring variables. I will use the two methods that we learned of initializing the variables. So that is why I'm telling you, if you haven't watched on the other video, kindly consider going back and watching that video. Then you come to this video. So I will not talk much. I will dive into the system. First and foremost, I will delete all this information. Then we start afresh. Okay. So the first thing, if you forgot about comments, kindly check on our first video on how we write comments and what comments are used for. So the first one here, we will use the data type of the type integer to write another student age and the year of study. So int age is equals to, let me like 20. Then next one here, we will use another string, write the first name. So string first name, let me call him John. And then string last name, let's say John Doe. Then the next thing, we will write the string for registration number. Then for this one, I will use the other way of initializing. Come and say reg number, then we set it to ABC 2 3 5 6 7. and the next one we will use the char for the grade, and then character grade, and then highlights. I use an A as character. Then the other thing, we will write the student email, so it will be a string email. Okay, ABC and students gmail.com. So that is it about initializing and the creating of variables. The next thing, we will print all this information on the screen. I will show you about concatenation. That is, concatenation is adding two strings together or two variables together, putting them together. That's what you mean by the concatenation. So printing this thing, if you are conversant with any programming language, you can use the syntax that is used there, or but I will not go into that syntax of using the variables in the or on the screen using the other method used on the in the other language, but I will stick to the format of that because that's why you tuned into this video. So we will first print the full name of the student. So print, then parentheses, opening and closing speech marks, then we say student name. Let's see. Then to use that variable, we will simply use the $sign followed by an opening and a closing curly braces. Then we will use the variable name that we called our string. For our case, we use the first name. So in this one here, I will call the first name. Then concatenation, we will simply use the plus sign and call the last name. But for this case, I can simply call it without using the concatenation. Simply say the $sign, then the last name. Then remember to terminate each and every statement with a semicolon. So I will do the same for reg number and email and also the grade. I will do for all of them. And that is it. So after that one, we will save on the screen and run our application. So save. So to run our application, in case you have forgotten, you will just go and open the terminal and you will simply write that followed by the word run, run, then the file name. Our file name is main.dat, and then you click on enter. So you give it some time to run. Okay, sorry for this, there is a little error. I will correct it. And then I'll come back to you. Let's see here. Problem. Let me use string for now. I'll clear the terminal and then we'll run our file again. So after that, we can see all of our data has executed correctly and everything is displayed on the screen as expected. So you see the student name is John Doe, the registration number ABC123 5467, the grade is an A, the email and the age is 20. So that is all for this video. Kindly consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and in case you have any question, feel free to leave it on the comment section and I will love to have a look at it and get back to you as soon as I can. So with that, continue enjoying my videos, subscribe to the channel, and today I'm going to leave you with a simple task that you're going to do. So you are going to create a student management system using all the variables, that is the boolean. We have not used the boolean, the characters and the integers, so you will use all of them for 3 students and display the data on the screen. And display the data on the screen. So thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video and bye bye. Have a lovely day.